Hey guys, it's Mark from Store More Sheds, and today we're going to be delivering this 8x12 classic barn, and we're at a baseball field. They're going to use it for some different equipment, and I'm going to show you the delivery process. Okay, we're going to drop the shed right where it's at, and then we're going to take it back probably a good 300-400 feet back to where, if you can see that blue shed, it goes over that way. And I got to go all the way around the field here. All right, we got our tires set up, and now we got to get our little machine down. Okay, we're ready to go. Everything's going smooth. You can see just how far we have to take it. Not a big deal. All right, I have the site all marked out. That's where the shed's gonna go. Not too much further. Okay, we got the shed where we want it. Now we just got to get it off the equipment and get it leveled up. You can see there's quite the distance there. We are all done. Everything went really smooth. So again, this is an 8x12. It's our classic barn design. We even got a ramp. It's got the 6-foot roll-up door. It's gonna be really nice for getting stuff in and out of the building. Let's check out the inside. Lots of space. You could even add a loft pretty easily to the barn here. We are all done. Everything went really smooth. The building even has a 6-foot ramp along with this big roll-up door. I'll show you the inside of the building. Lots of space inside. You could even easily add a loft in if you wanted. Thanks so much for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed the video.